My name is Paula Perea. I am 24 years old. I am currently studying finance and international business, and I am in my seventh semester at Ucompensa University. I work for Banco de Occidente in the commercial area. Ruby Risque is a movie that narrates a real life history. Ruby is a dog that is an animal shelter and has been rejected in more than 5 attempts of adoption due to her behavior. Patricia Ina is an employee of the shelter who is the only one who trusts in Ruby abilities. Daniel, who is the main character of this movie, is a policeman who wants to get a promotion in his job belong to the Shares and Rescue Group K9, where he has made more than 5 attempts, and his commander, Louis, asks him to try harder to fulfill his dream. His wife, Andret, asked him not to give up and to make the last attempt, and it is her where he adopts and trains Ruby to present the last test. George is a former animal search and rescue commander who trusts in Daniel and Ruby abilities to be part of this team. Finally, after going through so many tests and challenges, they become part of the search and rescue team and receive the K9 insignia, a symbol that fulfills Daniel's dream. My concept about this movie is that we must pursue our dreams no matter how many obstacles are in the way, and the main thing is to have confidence in oneself. Thanks.